I have an uncustomized FabFitFun Summer 2026 box. So if you want to discover with me what's inside of this, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out with me. He was just being silly and now he's settled down, but who knows, he could get silly again. And if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings and baggings, get ready with me's, mystery boxes, all kinds of fun stuff. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. Okay, so I went and got an uncustomized box. I don't know why, because I got all the things that I pretty much wanted. There were a few things I was like, so about, but here we are. Now, when I got this, it was $79.99 in their sale, and it indicated it had a retail value of $194. Now, they always have a sale going on every week. They have a new sale. It's pretty much the same stuff. And this box is still in there with the same value. So my guess is that if you decide that you want one, you are likely going to get the same as what I have. She's light and she's small. Now, as we recall, it has a super cute inside. All right, looks like water. Here is a little sneak peek. I do see one possible repeat item, and I'm actually really excited about that. Okay, so I'm only seeing one repeat item, possibly a second, I'm not sure. So I'm gonna start with that one. And these are the Ultra, or Atra, I'm not really sure how you pronounce that, sunglasses. And this is the Abbey sunglasses, transparent maple. So I think these are the same ones that I received, or that I chose. They did have two, but the other pair was black, I believe. Okay, yes, so these are the same ones, so I'm not going to try them on for you because I do want to set these aside. And they did come with a little cleaning cloth. And there was also a 20% discount code in there. All right, next, this is by Bliss. And this is one of those dry brushes. It's in this cute pink. Now, I don't typically use a dry brush. I don't know. Maybe I'll use it. Maybe I'll give it away. I'm not really sure. Next, by Topicals, is their Clearly Clarifying and Calming Mist. There is how it looks. And the active ingredient in here is salicylic acid. So this is going to be good for folks with acne, but salicylic acid also works well on fine lines and wrinkles. It also has hypochlorous acid, glycolic acid, zinc PCA, and allantoin. And it doesn't say anything else about this. It does say that it is made in the USA and distributed by Topicals in Santa Monica, California. Now, Topicals is a cruelty-free brand, so we really like that about this. And I think overall it's a nice product. I think it was one that I was looking to get, but decided against just because I had so many other things. Next, by Dr. Dennis Gross, is the Alpha Beta pH Balance Replenishing Cream. Now, this product is cruelty-free. It is also vegan. It is phthalate-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and fragrance-free. You use it morning and night. It's going to have a little pump to dispense. It does have alpha hydroxy acids, which may increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun, so be sure that you're wearing a good sunscreen. There is how it looks, and I guess I could tell you the values of these things, right? That would probably be nice. So the sunglasses are valued at $65. I cannot find a price for this online, so I'm not really sure what the value is. For the Topicals, this is a $26 value. The Dr. Dennis Gross retails for $62. Next, by Dr. Brandt, we have their Advanced Microdermabrasion Face Exfoliator. This is spa grade exfoliating cream. And this is a $26 value. Now, Dr. Brandt is a dermatologist, and it says that he began his career at the Sloan Kettering. Dr. Brandt began his career in cancer research at Sloan Kettering. Dr. Brandt began his career in cancer research at Sloan Kettering, and he studied how ingredients like green tea and vitamins could transform cellular health. Dr. Brandt did found the Dr. Brandt Foundation in memory of Frederick Brandt, and the foundation is dedicated to breaking stigma around mental health, and it provides and promotes compassion, open conversations around anxiety, depression, and suicide prevention, while helping those in need with support. So Dr. Brandt is not certified as cruelty-free, and they've historically been flagged by watchdog groups, primarily because they have sold their products in places like mainland China. The brand explicitly states that they do not test on animals. However, because they sell in mainland China, we don't know how correct that is. So whether or not this is a brand that you want to support is kind of a decision you'll have to make for yourself, because while they are cruelty-free, they are not certified because of their sales in China. Okay, and then last is something I'm excited to have a second of, because this means I will have 8 instead of just 4, and those are the Greg Natalie Flora Bowls. So these are those ice cream bowls, or you can use them. They're that kind of melamine, I think it's pronounced. So it's good for, you could have cereal in it. I wouldn't put hot things necessarily in this. I'm not sure how that would do. But they also go from a darker yellow to a lighter yellow, so they kind of ombre as you put them out, and they're absolutely adorable. I got the ice cream scoop, so I'm excited to have more, because as we are preparing to all move in together, my husband, my daughter, and my parents, we will be a family of 6, so family of 5, sorry. So we need more than 4. Okay, so that is the box that I received. I'm relatively certain that this is the box that you will receive if you order it, because it has the same MSRP. Now it could be a little different, I don't know, but my guess is that you're going to get either the same, you might get like different sunglasses, but I think it's going to be around the same based upon the fact that it has the same MSRP. All right, so tell me your thoughts. What was your favorite item? This is mine. I love the sunglasses, but I already have them. I love these. I'm glad to have another set. Although I am pretty excited about the Dr. Dennis Gross. I have used this in the past. I've gotten it in beauty boxes before. It is a very thorough scrub, so it's not gentle, I will tell you that. I don't mind something that's not gentle, but many people don't like this product because of how it's quite rough. We'll put it that way. It's quite rough. Excited about this spray. I think that that's a great item. All right, so I'm on the fence about this because I've not used one, but I understand why you want to use one. particularly as we get older. You know, we really want to make sure we're getting rid of that dead skin. You can have some odor issues if you're not really getting your skin clean and getting rid of those dead layers. I only found this out because you know, my stepdad is a bit older, and you know, the doctor said, like, you really gotta scrub a little better. They actually suggested that he use a body scrub, you know, like the Tree Hut body scrub, to get rid of those dead skin cells, because it will start to build up and there will be an odor attached to it. So I understand the reasoning for it. I just don't know that I'm going to take the time to do that. So we'll see. And then the sunglasses, which are very nice. I just already own them. So I'm not sure, but tell me your thoughts. What was your favorite item in this box? And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.